Hey guys, Kyle of Great Vacs here. We occasionally get an email asking, how do I change out my Kirby bag? So today we're going to show you how to do that on a few different type of bags, on a few different type of Kirbys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get started. In front of me I have several different bags, from generic to genuine. These bags will fit the older style G, all the way up to the newer style, which is the F. We offer genuine bags, but our best seller is this universal generic bag. I love this bag. I have this on all my Kirbys at home. We're going to start with the older style G and then move up to the newer style F, so stay tuned. First step, I'm going to unzip the cloth bag, pull out the fill tube to expose the inner bag, and simply detach it from the fill tube like so. And then just throw it away and get your new bag. We're going to start with the generic bag. These generic bags have these tabs, and your main goal is to push the bag all the way on until it goes past these tabs on the fill tube. I'm going to show you how. Helpful tip I like to do is grab it from the top of the bag connection. This helps you put it on easier. And as you're putting it on, just kind of give it a good twist, and it should go on all the way, like so. Then once you're done, just tuck it away, zip your bag up, and you're done. Since we got down to generic, I'm going to show you how to do a genuine bag. The nice thing about the genuine bags, it has these tab slots. Installation is a breeze. Just pull it out a little bit, line the tabs up with the tabs on the fill tube. Once on, give it a good twist and you're done. That's how easy it is. Just tuck it away, zip it up, and you're ready to vacuum again. Now let's do the newer F style. So just want to unzip your bag, take it out. On the F style, there's this little tab right here, but since the bag's already garbage, you can just rip it off. Throw it away. And then we're going to start with a genuine Kirby bag. This bag fits all models, and the way it fits on the F style, it has this little tab right here that folds down on these clips on top of the fill tube. So I'm going to show you how to put it on. Like so. Push it on. Got that clip on the bottom. Make sure the bag goes over it. And then with that clip on top, you just want to fold this piece down. And once it's folded down, just put it back in. Zip it up and you're good to go. Now we're going to show you how to install the generic fit all bag that we sell. Pretty much the same concept. Grab it from the bag connection. Push it on. Got that tab underneath. We'll make sure the bag connection goes over it like so. It's on all the way up top. Tuck it away. Zip your bag up and you're ready to clean again. It's that easy.
Did you guys know Kirby Vacuums are ranked #1 most dependable vacuum cleaner by Consumer Reports and rated #1 for pet hair and allergy pickup? To learn more about Kirby vacuum cleaners, click the link below to see a cool video which Kirby vacuum is the best model. And don't forget guys, at Great Vacs we've serviced and rebuilt nearly 100,000 Kirby vacuum cleaners. So if you have any questions or comments about Kirby vacuums, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.